Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I haven't run this engine for a long time, and I thought, you know what, today we'll do some track cleaning also. I've run a lot of water-based engines on the track, and it's probably dirty and full of stuff, so we're gonna run the big boy with the track cleaner at the back here. This is a Walther's track cleaner. Just did the startup for this, and we'll get going shortly. I just got uncoupled, so I'm going to have to couple that back up. Just give me 1 second. Okay, we're back running again here. We just got uncoupled there for a second. Let's go backwards a bit. And now we'll go forwards slowly. Not sure what happened to my headlights. Yeah, I don't know why my headlights and my Mars lights turned off. Not sure if it's because I was in reverse mode. Let's see, let's go forward again. There we go, okay. Usually it doesn't take that long for them to come back on. I'm gonna try that again, watch the backup light on the tender. Make sure that goes on. Yeah, that goes on, that's fine. But the Mars light shouldn't shut off. Oh, they're on, okay. Just the headlight. Okay, there we go. Anyway, we're off to the races, cleaning the track now. I didn't want to make a big long video, but something happened there, and we're just gonna go around the track a couple times, clean the track using the big boy. We're going to slow it down, and then we're going to do the shutdown sequence. It's coming around now. Oh, we also have the depleting coal load, so let's fill that back up again. Yep, we're full again. I just love the sound that it does. It's F10 on the controller. Okay, we're going to do the shutdown sequence is F9, so function key 9. Okay, thanks for watching, and happy Canada Day. This was a special video for me because it's Canada Day today. Thank you.